Hello, my friends. I have a nice, satisfying kitchen clean with me today as I'm trying to get my kitchen in order. You know, to be honest, my kitchen is very, very large, and sometimes I just don't feel like cleaning it. But I am getting better because as most of you know, last year I went through this whole decluttering and organizing of every room of my house because my house had just gotten out of order. And I'm finding now that when my kitchen gets like this, I used to just keep ignoring it until the point where I just could not ignore it anymore. But now I don't feel as depleted to do it. Like, I suffered from decision fatigue for a really long time because it's just so many decisions to make. It's like so much stuff. Do I trash it? Do I recycle it? I need to find a place for it in my home, and so it used to really drain my energy. But now I don't give it as much thought and I just do it. And for those that get it. And for those that don't. But doing stuff like this used to really drain my energy. But now I just do it like I'm brushing my teeth or picking out clothes or something like that, something that comes easy to me. And it doesn't always have to be perfect, so that's really what I'm working on lately is just, it doesn't have to be perfect. I just need to get it done. Also, I know some of you guys are a fan of this ASMR-ish style. Some of you are not. It was very mixed comments in my comment section of my last kind of ASMR day in the life video. But, I'm just experimenting with different ways to film and different things, different ways to edit, just to see, just to keep it fresh and jazzy and not get boring. I don't want to keep giving you guys the same kind of cleaning, with the same music that everybody uses. I just try to zhuzh it up a little bit, but anyway, enjoy the video. Leave a comment down below and let me know, okay? How often do you clean your kitchen? Obviously, I know we all do the dishes every day, and I do that, but my island can look like who did it and why, because it's just like a dumping ground, And so how often do you clean your kitchen? Leave a comment down below and let me know. And I'm talking like you're mopping the floors, you're wiping the cabinets down, you're cleaning all the appliances. How often do you do that? That's enough of me chatting. I love you guys so much.
You guys use the Scrub Mommy yet? I am obsessed. At first I didn't want to buy into it. And I'm like, oh, it's just a sponge. But no, it is so addictive and it makes me want to do the dishes. Like I could use this to clean all of this. It doesn't matter if it's non-stick or I don't know, it just holds the suds really well. Okay, enough of me chatting. This smells amazing. Let that sit for 10 minutes. I'm telling you, y'all, this smells so good. Oh, it's called Tuscan Lavender and Jasmine. Gosh, that's so gross. Oh, I'm not even gonna show y'all the inside of the can, but let's just say I probably need to steam clean this trash can. It's disgusting.
this is. That is it, my friends. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make this Sunday amazing and great. And I just pray that you have an awesome week. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.